Unity, the name in CB radios. The open road can be unpredictable.
Well, here we are again with another video of someone who's had too much to drink and doesn't have any friends around and is now just staggering downtown. I saw this guy standing outside this bank. There was somebody inside the bank. I wasn't sure if they were together. Look at this guy. Just can't even stand up straight. So I stuck around for a second because I wanted to see if the guy inside was his buddy and then he was going to be okay. So I waited for a moment for the other person to come out of the bank. And when he finally did, he just walks on by because that's not his buddy. So now we're left with this lonely drunk guy who can barely stand up on his own. Now I'm going to share something with you, and I promise you I'm not being judgmental, but I don't understand people who drink alcohol, especially to get drunk, and absolutely like this to excess. I don't understand it. I personally have never had a drink of alcohol in my life. Not a single shot, not a single drop for any reason. A lot of people say, hey, that's great. That's a great accomplishment. I don't really think it's an accomplishment because I never wanted to. So if I never had the desire or urge or temptation to do so, I really haven't, fought any urges. I just never wanted to. So I never have. So to each their own. However, when you look at situations like this guy and several other videos of people downtown who have obviously had too much, this is a problem. Now, where are his friends? Where are his coworkers? Do you really think he just hit the town all by himself to drink? Somewhere along the line, they got separated, and now here he is staggering in front of a bank, hardly able to stand. And he is very vulnerable. He's vulnerable to someone coming up on the street just to attack him or roll him, take whatever he's got in his pockets. And at this point right now, I was very concerned that he would fall over. So finally, when he sat down, I thought at least he's not going to fall, hit his head, and hurt himself. I had a few things that I needed to do downtown. I did drive away. And after completing my other business, as I happened to make my way by this same section, here he is on the right, laying down all the way on the concrete. So I try to wake him up. Hey, dude. You all right there, dude? This guy was dead to the world. I thought about what I should do, so I figured I would get out and try to nudge him, see if he would come to. So that's what I did. Hey man, hey, you need to find a ride to get somewhere? You have a phone on you? If you lay like this, somebody's going to come along and rob you. They're going to take everything out of your pockets. Hey, man. Hey. Hey, man. Hey, dude. Hey, buddy. Hey. Hey, man. Excuse me, sir. Hey. 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 So the dude's not waking up. I check my location to make sure I can provide the exact address, and I do dial the police, fire, and medical emergency line for Nashville.
Parking mode on.
People can get alcohol poisoning. This guy is passed out on the street, not by choice. Now, maybe he went drinking by choice, he got drunk by choice, but he's not laying there on the concrete by choice. So I thought for sure that he needed some attention. And it didn't take very long. The fire department's right up the street, and they came to check him out. We were joined a little bit later by some paramedics who actually roll around downtown on a little cart. And that's I think that's one of the coolest things that Nashville does have for immediate medical attention downtown, is that they have EMTs riding around that are ready and able to serve. So the fire truck arrived with some paramedics, and they quickly came over to basically do the same thing I was trying to do, is just wake the guy up. And here's what happened. Tried to wake the guy up. He was totally unresponsive for me, so I dialed the local police fire emergency number. And Nashville Fire Department has arrived. They got him sitting up, so that's a good thing. He wouldn't move for me. It took a long time for them just to get him sit up.
Yeah, I called it in. It was probably now almost 30 minutes ago. He was staggering, and then he sat down as I turned. By the time I came back down to Mumbrane, he was out like that. So I tried to wake him up.
Yeah.
I couldn't get him this far. So.
Are these all here at Session?
Yeah, I do video vlogging and stuff.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Thanks,
Have a good one, man. See you.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
I like that one.
Well, thanks.
Well, at least we know the guy's in good hands, and he's not going to wake up and find out that he's been mugged or worse. Thanks for tuning in to the Dashman Nashcam channel. Please like the video if you did like it, and absolutely subscribe for more content like this. Folks, if you see something, do something about it.